In this video, we'll show you what to do if you are getting the no SIM or no service error on your iPhone. So to fix this, first open the settings app. Now enable this airplane mode toggle. Now simply wait for a few seconds and then turn it off. So this will refresh your iPhone's network settings and hopefully fix the problem. Another reason why you may get this error if your iPhone is locked to a specific carrier. So go to General, go to About. Now scroll down and check this network provider lock. Make sure it says no SIM restrictions. If your iPhone is locked to a specific carrier and if you are using the SIM card of a different carrier, you may get this no SIM error. So make sure that's not the case. However, if you still experience problems, go back to the previous menu. Now here scroll down and then tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now here tap the Reset option. And then finally select Reset Network Settings. After that, see if your issue is resolved. However, if nothing else works, you can try force restarting your iPhone. For that, press and quickly release the volume up button and then press and quickly release the volume down button. After that, simply press and hold the power button until the Apple logo appears. Once the Apple logo appears, release the power button and wait for your iPhone to boot back up. After that, remove and reinsert the SIM card and check if your issue is resolved. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.